wife just bought it for me for Christmas. So this is the setup of the HP Pavilion notebook. Remember that. And today I'm going to go ahead and install the VideoStudio Ultimate 10. I just opened the cover here. I'll go through the steps to do this and see what happens. Serial number. But you don't want to forget the serial number, do you? Let's see. Download available. Studio 10, XS. Studio tutorials and learn materials. Okay. Digital download available. VideoStudio.com download. Download a copy of the user's guide. Okay, like that. Okay. I guess this is on the side here. Yep. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, it's on the. He's on the side over here. This one here has actually got 3D set up. Choose what happens. Drive. Wait to see what it does. Digital download available. I gotta go up the. You have to go up the internet, huh? VideoStudioPro.com download.
I can't connect at the moment. Try again in a little bit.
Wonder why. Wonder why. I see it. Kinds of games on here that I'm not even interested in. Print 3D. Interesting. PowerPoint. Price line. It's gotta be on the very bottom. Got nothing. Not sure how to do it. Cyberlink Power Media Player 14. Well, I'll do that. Let's see. Video. Studio. Pro. .com / download. Okay. It's cool. You dumped it. Video. Studio. Studio download. Well, of course, this is going to take longer than I anticipate, so it's going to be a trial and error here. Okay. What I ended up doing is, it was in under my settings, and now it's asking me if I want to allow the app to make changes to the device, because it's under eDrive over in your access, quick access application file. Checking updates. So this is going to be a lot like, I think, Windows Movie Maker, because you're going to go ahead and click into your Movie Maker, bring that up, and then you're going to be able to go click on into your photo section there and then transfer it over. And that's all I plan to do on this computer here, is strictly download my videos on it and then edit it and then send it straight up to YouTube or Facebook, because you can go Facebook. When you send it up, it'll give you different blocks to check where you want to send your videos to. What have I got? 33%. Okay, good. Okay, I'm good. It's still doing something. I have no idea how long it takes. But here, list of things. I'm not sure what it means by 32-bit and 64-bit common. Usually what I do is I categorize it when it comes in off my phone or off the 360s. The thing is, with the currently, as far as I know, the stitching has to be done by downloading it from the gears onto the phone. and then from there it can be downloaded onto the computer. But I don't know if this has that option that I can go straight from the gear into the computer. Downloading updates. Okay, I've got a red line. So there we go. We're downloading for updates, and we'll see, because I have no idea how long that's going to take. Okay, now once I put the disc in, then I was able to go to the actual website and ask you a question about which studio you had, whether you had the 8 or the 10, and you click on the 10, and then it'll ask you what it wants you to, what do you want to do, and then you just click download. And right now it's finally downloading, and see, download VideoStudioPro.com. So it's a combination using your disk and then the internet itself, and then sometime during that period it's going to prompt you to put the serial number from the bottom of your card, which is probably the bottom of the disc. Okay, serial number at the bottom of your envelope here. So that's the way it's going to be. I got like 24 minutes left. Alright, we're finally there after three attempts to get this to download, and it probably has a lot to do with the speed. I'm down to 600 whatever's there to as far as my downloading speed is concerned. I'm also uploading video to YouTube on my other computer. So right now it wants so. Now I got to enter in the serial number that's on the bottom of my thing here. Boy, it's long too. Let's see. Everything's cool. It's going to be English, and then now serial number. It wants Victor uniform 20 Romeo 22. Victor Romeo X or X-ray and A alpha TAC Delta Zulu Victor Bravo Winslow TAC Echo. Double check those. Blind as a bat without them as usual. Doing two things at the same time. Next. Basically the same thing. I'm not not really worried about it. You either sign it or you don't get to use it, right? Okay, if my packages are ready to install, okay, that's good enough. And download. Okay, and there we go. Requires 765.38 megabytes. Available space 8.67.2 gigabytes. Okay, yeah. Yeah. 1 terabyte, or a little less. So it's got plenty. Alright. So it is on its way. Okay. So I just went to, okay, just did main program. Now it's doing standard content 2. Because the standard content 2 is download from the internet. And then the times 10.5 service pack is also downloaded from the internet. The main program was downloaded from the disk. Main program, standard content. Okay, that's done. See what it goes to now. Still content. That's gonna take a little while because I'm only 4 megabytes out of 665 megabytes. So it's gonna be a little while.